I shoot out like grown man. 6 body feed the AI total. I with squad they get total. Me no buy gun big carrot in a holster.
People, welcome to another one. You see me? Another one. I could call it set. You see me? Welcome to Current Goals TV. Alright? I'm gonna tell you the truth. Guess what? Man, no way. I go up an embassy. Cause I need to get visa to come out of this place. Yeah, man. Me no see if a Jamaica boy. Can me even tell me an innocent man get slapped where you see that? And the man will kill him and get glorified. All music and make both him. Hmm? So me can do just I do my honest hustling. And a man murder me and take on the police for 3, 4, 5 hours. And the man them start sing song about him. Want put him for money. You know? Make him a hero. You know? Take nanny off of a fair 500 bill and put a next man panic and know so most man them love. Hmm? Yeah, tell me say something can real go so. Innocent man get dashed because him a try make him own money to do whatever he want to do with fame life. And a man short, short of the cash when supposed to have to purchase the product. And instead you go look at work, John Pro. Instead you go look at work, you murder the man. Hmm? And then them little waste artists you come out and I make tune. Silkboss have sense? Tell me if Silkboss have sense. You know, say Silk ass that man. Hmm? You remember when time the man them give him some solid box. Hmm? You remember? Him then one corner a shiver like a big girl. You remember? Hmm? Something not right about this dog. All the innocent man forget dash way. Innocent people them get dash way. You mean to tell me the murderer and him a get praises all over social media. One brown man badness. Real bad man. I don't understand. Something not right about this mentality, yo. Hmm? So you tell me, if America, if some big school shooting go on in Jamaica like we are going in America, you tell me say the man them do the school shooting and them lock up in the school and them take on the police 4 hours and then them get slapped. I mean, if you tell me say some man I make a tune about it, them not say something wrong with all of that. Something now why you right in them people your brain. Hmm? But I expect better from Silkboss though, cause you look on him. Hmm? Man born black and him white. Him no know himself, him no love himself. Hmm? A man him love. So after months I give some ras hard users like that. You then in a video with one bag of man again. Hmm? Where the girl there, them brother yeah, shaky bad man, something wrong with them man. Hmm? Something not right. You mean if you tell me so you know what you make true to praise this brother, the man murder the man see more of things. Hmm? Murder the man see more of things. The egg brother, the man life get take with the egg and know what you make tune. But one brown man all over Instagram. You see them people are mad. A mad people out there, man. A beer mad people out there. May I pray to God for my visa get granted. But need to come out here. Me no need for there, Jamaica. Them people are not right it. Please, God, me I beg you. Make my visa get stamped. You say a beer psychopath, don't you? Eh? Man, the family they talk about it was a good shootout. You know, see people that risk them life. The police them will get shot off. You don't realize them a human being. Eh? Man, I hear the gunshot and I say, yeah, man, that panic, man. Yeah, man, them kill him. Yeah, man, him dead, man. It's a regular thing. Man, can they wear over so? I know when shot panic and when in a panic. Trauma, brother, trauma. Something wrong with them idiot here. Hmm? We don't need to give them 50 years to life in a school. Them don't even come back out. A be done people. John was sir, please God, me I beg you let me get my visa. Me I beg you. Me need to come off of this island with these mad people. Me can't believe it. But no I know majority of Jamaica. But the one them where hype up themselves and them I get seen. And them I get seen. Me no want get put in a bungle. Hmm? But grow come see violence in a man community. So why me never pick it up? Why me never gravitate to it? I tell me say someone wanna just love man. That's how me can say. Someone wanna just shake you in a love man. Hmm? On a love man for true man. Cause my band come see it. My band my nose for them hide the tool and everything could have go get tool. I'm decide to stay far from it. Like guess what? Me no want to get locked up with beer, man. Me no love man. Hmm? Me no want a man tell me say, yo, when me and shit, yo, flush that first before. Me no understand when my mentality shaky. Bad. Still boss need to really sit down and think about what I do. Cause look like them users, they never panic. They never panic properly. Hmm? Somebody needs to go finish a job. Cause I'm not no sense still. Somebody needs to go finish a job. Him need a couple more bucks. Him need a dozen good. Mm. Man, nah, no sense. Anyways, people, like, share, and subscribe, and please drop me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this situation. A life is a life. Even brown man. You know, so even brown man will get take out. If the man did have some critical thinking skill and skill to communicate, he never have to shoot the man for him one things. That is how things going on. Nobody don't know for talk out none as straight violence. You see me? Jano Star, the man them, like the man them move backward yo. And I move backward, man. I go back to them hip days, dog. Man, I tell you, a beer savagery. Anyways, people, I'm out.